In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Confidential Mode Gmail. Confidential Mode is a helpful way to add extra restrictions to sensitive emails you send through Gmail. It's designed to reduce casual sharing by limiting what recipients can do with your message. When you turn it on for a specific email, the person you're contacting won't be able to forward, copy, print, or download the contents or any attachments. You can also set an expiration date, so the message becomes inaccessible after a certain time, and you have the option to require a passcode that's sent via text before the email can be opened. It's important to know what confidential mode does not do. It doesn't stop someone from taking a screenshot or snapping a photo of the screen, and it isn't the same as end-to-end encryption. Think of it as a way to discourage accidental or casual sharing rather than a guarantee of complete secrecy. Let's walk through how to send a confidential email on a desktop. Open Gmail in your web browser and sign in. Click Compose to start a new message. Along the bottom of the Compose window, look for the Confidential Mode icon. It looks like a small lock with a clock. Click that, and a settings panel will appear. Here, choose how long the message should remain accessible, from options like 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, and up to 5 years. Next, decide whether to require an SMS passcode for extra protection. If you turn that on, click Save, finish writing your email, and hit Send. Gmail will then prompt you to enter the recipient's phone number so they can receive the passcode. Make sure you use the recipient's number and that it's entered correctly. Once sent, the recipient will need that code to open the message. If you ever change your mind before the expiration date, you can remove access early. Go to your Sent folder in Gmail, open the confidential message you sent, and select Remove Access. From that moment on, the recipient won't be able to open it, even if the original expiration time hasn't arrived. A couple of final notes. Confidential mode isn't a global setting. You'll need to enable it each time you want these restrictions on an email. And while it blocks forwarding, copying, printing, and downloading, it can't prevent screenshots or photos. If you choose the SMS passcode option, always double-check that you've entered the correct recipient number. Used thoughtfully, confidential mode adds a practical layer of control to the messages you share.